Hi, welcome to Software Testing mp3 classes by Himanshu Satpathy from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Today topic is software testing. Software testing means verification plus validation. It looks like a V shape. One side is verification and another side is validation. Left side is verification and right side is validations. Software testing is equal to verification plus validation. Software testing is equal to combination of verification plus validation. Left side is verification. Verification parts is requirement gathering, test planning, high level designing, low level designing and coding. Verification part is requirement gathering, test plan, high level designing, low level designing and then coding. Similarly right side, that is verification part is over. Then validation part in unit testing, integration testing, system testing and user acceptance testing. Unit testing, integration testing, it is called white box testing. Then system testing plus user acceptance testing is called black box testing. Both white box plus black box is called gray box testing. So verification conducted on documentation, but validation conducted on coding and application. Verification conducted on documentation, but validation conducted on coding and application. Verification, it is a process of verifying whether developing application is right or wrong. It is a process of verifying whether developing application is right or wrong is called verification. It is a process of verifying whether developing application is right or wrong is called verification and is also called as static testing. Verification is also called as static testing. Then verification is to check whether software conforms to the specification during development phase, BRS, SRS documents and designing phase, coding documents. Verification is to check whether software conforms to the specification during development phase, BRS, SRS documents and designing coding phase, reviewed by the same person to ensure the product is being developed using process oriented approach. It is an quality assurance activity. What is verification? Then validation, it is a process of validating the development product. It is a process of validating the developer product is right or not. It is a process of validating the developer product is right or not, called validation and also called as dynamic testing. It is a process of validating the developed product is right or not, called validation and also called as dynamic testing. Verification is called as static testing and validation is called as dynamic testing. Validation means to check whether the software meets the customer expectation or not. Validation means to check whether the software meets the customer expectation or not. It is done by the programmer. Validation done by the programmer, testing engineer and customer, and it's an quality controller activity. It is done by the programmer, testing engineer and customer and it's an quality control activity. But verification is an quality assurance activity, but validation is an quality control activity. Thank you very much for encouraging me and for liking and sharing my YouTube video channel Himanshu Satpathy. Bye bye.